English podcast. Hi friends, my name is Nora. Today I feel a little sad, but I am still here with you. Let's smile and learn English together. Speaking English can be easy and fun. I will show you simple tips and tricks. So, take a deep breath and let's begin now. Nora woke up. She looked outside. The sky was gray. Her heart felt heavy. She sat on her bed. I feel sad today, she said. She did not smile. She did not want to talk. She did not want food. She just sat still. I don't know why, she said. Tears came to her eyes. I want to feel better. Nora's phone rang. It was Mia, her friend. Hi, Nora, are you okay? Nora said, Minst you're not. Really, I feel sad today. Mia said, let's talk. Do you want to go out? Nora said. No, not now, Mia said. Okay, I'm here. Nora smiled a little. Thanks, Mia, she said. Mia said, always friend. Call me if you need. Nora got up. She washed her face. She wore her shoes. She went outside. The air was cool. Birds were singing. Children were laughing. She walked slowly, step by step. She saw flowers. She saw a dog. She saw an old man. He smiled at her. Nora smiled back. Maybe today is not so bad, she thought. Nora walked to a klefsche. She saw the sign, warm drinks, warm hearts. She went inside. It smelled like coffee and cake. A lady said, hello, welcome. Nora said hi. She sat near the window. She ordered tea. She looked at people. Some were talking. Some were reading. Some were alone like her, but they smiled too. Nora felt calm. Nora looked at the table. There was a small paper. It said, you are strong. You are special. Nora touched it. She smiled. Who wrote this? She wondered. A waiter came. Nora asked who made this note. He smiled. We leave notes every day, he said. It makes people happy, Nora said. It made me happy too. Then it worked, he said. Nora finished her tea. She felt better. She felt light. She felt warm. She wrote her own note. It said, you are loved. Keep going. She left it on the table. She walked outside. The sky was blue now. The clouds were gone. The sun was soft. She breathed deeply. I feel good, she said. Nora called Mia. Mia, thank you, she said. I feel better now. Mia said, that's great. What did you do? Nora said, I went for a walk. I found a note in the keflia. It made me smile. Mia said, I'm proud of you. You did a brave thing. Nora said it was small. Mia said, small steps are big too. The next morning came. Nora woke up. She looked outside. The sun was bright. Her heart felt light. She got up fast. She brushed her hair. She wore yellow today. I feel happy, she said. She made breakfast. She played music. She danced a little. She laughed. Life felt better. Nora went back to the Kausmantia. She made more notes. She wrote, you are not alone today. Is your day one step at a time? She gave them to the staff. Please share these, she said. The lady smiled. Thank you, Nora. You have a big heart. Nora smiled wide. She felt proud. She felt full of joy. Nora sat in the park. Children ran around. A bird sat near her. She fed it crumbs. A little girl waved. Nora waved back. She took out her notebook. She wrote, even sad days end. The sun always returns. I've found my smile again. Nora closed her book. She looked at the sky. She whispered, Thank you. Life Nora went home. She opened the door. She saw a letter. It was from her mom. She opened it slowly. The letter said, "My sweet Nora Fias, I know some days are hard, but you are strong. You always were. Keep shining. I love you." Nora hugged the letter. Her eyes were wet. She whispered, "Thanks, Mom."